Hey guys, RLC321 back again with the Guyver model kit that I got from Thailand. So we are going to be starting on doing this beautiful little kit. And when I was doing the Hulk vinyl model kit, the thing with the Hulk vinyl model kit that's different with these, the Hulk didn't have any of these things that need to be cut off. Nope, it didn't. So I'm going to talk about showing you how we go about doing that. Yes, that's what we're going to be doing. So I'm just going to put some of this stuff out of the way because I don't want them getting involved here. So we're going to just start off with the body. Now, things you need: sharp hobby knife, very sharp hobby knife, hairdryer or a heat gun. Whichever one you prefer to use. Obviously I'm using a heat gun. So as you can see here, we will need to cut this section off, this part. It's got a line here that we need to, this part we need to keep because I believe that is what will fit inside to there. But first off we need to get rid of that. So to do that, it's going to get noisy. If you're using a heat gun, use the lowest heat possible. You don't want a very high heat. And you basically just heated it up. Because what will happen is, this will start, once it gets to a certain temperature, it gets baby soft. Soft as butter. And you're able to cut it off a lot easier. So that's what I'm just about to do. How are you doing? Oh, yep, that's ready. That was ready a lot quicker than I expected it to be. Right, now as you can see, that smells really, really soft, and it'll be a lot easier, as he says, to cut. As it says, obviously it's not cutting for him. There we go. Come on. Oh, this stuff smells. Really? Come on. Trials and tribulations of Rob's models. Hopefully, no, you can't really see that, but it's a bit difficult to show it. It's coloured a lot better now. It's getting a bit more solid. And let's just say, what you want to do, you want to try and keep within that line as best as you possibly can, because it'll save cleanup later. I mean, luckily, there's not a lot of cleanup to do. Yeah, I think I need a new blade. Really? Where's my blade? Let's put that over there. Where did I put my blade? No, I've lost my blade. Where did I put them? Right. Okay. Oh, there you are. Hey, what are you doing down there? Get them to Papa. Right. There we go. Okay, put you in there. Do it up. Now what I usually like to do with my old blades, I don't like throw them away or anything, but I do like putting them back in their casing and folding it so I know it's in there. Right, so with a new blade we should be able to continue cutting it off. Also got to cut a little bit too much there, so I want a little tiny bit on there. It's a little tiny mark here, registration mark I believe that is, but we don't want it on there. Okay, so let's heat up the torso a little bit. I mean, see if we can try and test fit this bad boy, see what it is like. Now this one we have to cut as close as we can to the part, and I'm sorry if it's not in shot, but I have to be really careful with this one. But as you can see, it should just slide through. There we go. Now I need to get rid of these registration marks here. So then that should fit on there like that. Now the thing is, you're gonna have gaps. I mean, we know this, we're gonna have problems, we're gonna have gaps, but we can actually fill most of that with the heating it up and then pushing it in and shaping it to the way we want. But we can do that later. So that's in there. We need to cut the leg part off. Basically, I'm just getting everything all prepared and ready. I mean, this kit shouldn't take long to put together. It shouldn't take long at all. You can see how easy this is to cut through. And if it starts getting harder to cut, then you need to heat it up a bit more. There you are. As I say, because it should be really easy to cut through this. And we've got a bit of clean up left to do and things like that, but that's normal. This was the left, wasn't it? The left is that one. So that'll fit in there, just like that. Okay, let's do the other one. Right, let's cut off the parts of the head. Quite a solid piece there. And then that should put onto there. Now another thing with with this, as you can see, the headpiece. Let's pull that back off. The headpiece is bent. Another with the heat gun, just heat it up. And then you're able to shape it to how you want. So like, I want that fairly straight, like that. And as it cools, it will stay in that shape. At least I hope so. There we go. See? That's now straight. Right, okay, so we've got the head back in place and that looks okay. Right, okie dokie then. So that's the vinyl pieces now all cut up and ready to go. As I say, it's gonna need some sanding. What I'm gonna do first, before I do anything else, I'm gonna give it a quick prime Look at what with the primer. I can see what needs to be cleaned up and sanded down and things like that, and we can go from there. But there you go. This is basically how you cut the vinyl parts from a model kit, or from a vinyl model kit. And hopefully the next video we will put it all together and see what it looks like. So anyway guys, I want to say thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next one. You take care of yourselves. Bye bye now.